Hey guys, I'm showing you this mini drone from Syma. These are for the beginners and this is X200 model, and you can see it comes in a really nice gift box sort of packing. So it's a great gift on the birthdays and anything. The manual is very descriptive and it have like everything that how to control and how to start this. This is the accessory kit that have the charger and other things. So this is the screwdriver, extra propeller blades, and the charger cable. So extra propeller blade that you can use in terms like if something broke. This is the main drone box, and the very nice thing I like about this is like the box itself is really handy and portable. And you can see it here like it's very nice trendy, and there's a batteries thing inside it. So this is if you open the case, it's very protective. This is the mini drone. This is a foldable one, and you can just open this. And the remote control is inside it. So it's just one handy kit that you can just take with you. For batteries, you can put in the batteries. So it's a very handy and portable drone. Two double AAA batteries, and yep, once this add up, the remote is ready to use, easy to control, and I will show that outside as well. Then connection is easy on this, and then keep pressing this. So for the charging, you have this port. You can charge this drone, and just on this one, and the LED light is on. So you press up and down button, it get connected to the drone, and you can just use it. For charging, as I mentioned, you can see like there's a red indicator in the USB. So outside, let's play with this one. So it's like it have a 2-speed mode, so it's really fast, and I will say like it's a very nice small design uh, that you can use, and yeah, you can control the speed mode. You can also have all those different things. So this is a 3D flip. So it's pretty much fun and really nice drone. And now you can set it up all this head start or whatever, like different settings. You have to get used to it through the manual first, and then just close this, put it back, and you are done.